is the Montana Department of Agriculture instructional video on how to renew a seed license. You will first need to log into MTPlants through ePass. The direct URL to log into MTPlants is on the renewal notice listed here. If you already have an ePass account, please continue on through this video. If you do not have an ePass account, please see the How to Create an ePass Account instructional video. For existing users, select the Log On/Register, log in using ePass Montana, and log in with ePass Montana. In the existing users grid, enter your username and password and select Login. This brings up the account homepage. From the license information section, select either the online shopping cart or in the account task section, select the One License Due for Renewal hyperlink. Check the box next to the license you would like to renew and select Add the selected item to cart. You'll next need to verify your company information. Select the Verification Needed button. If you need to change the facility address, you will need to contact the Commodity Services Bureau directly. If the mailing address differs from the physical address, select the Use This Address radio and enter the appropriate mailing address. If you have a portable conditioning plant, portable seed cleaner, verify the information pertaining to each one. If you need to change the information for one listed, select its license plate number. If you need to add one, select the Add button and enter the plate number, make, model, and year. If the trailer is homemade, indicate homemade in the make. And in the model, enter any distinguishing characteristics, such as the VIN, length, type, etc. Then indicate the year the trailer was made. Select Save and Back. Then verify your operation types. Make sure they are still current and make any necessary changes. All seed labelers are required to submit a sample of their label. To add a label, select the Add button, select Browse, navigate to the location where the label is saved, and select Open. Enter a description of the label as uploaded, and select Upload. When finished, select Accept and Continue. Verify the total and select Proceed to Checkout. Verify the email address. This will be the email address that receives the payment confirmation email. Select Proceed. This transfers you over to the NIC payment site. Select the payment type you would like to use from the drop-down. The processing fees vary based on the payment type. E-checks are charged a flat fee of $2, and credit cards are charged $1.25 plus 1.995% of the transaction amount. The Montana Department of Agriculture does not accept American Express. Select Next. For both a credit card and e-check, you will need to fill out the customer information and select Next. You will then need to fill out the payment information and select Next. For an e-check, you will need to read Terms and Conditions to the bottom and select the checkbox to authorize the transaction. Then select Submit Payment button to submit either type of payment. You are then transferred to the payment confirmation page, and a confirmation email will be sent to the email address provided during checkout. On this page, you will be able to see the transaction order number listed there and the total of the transaction with the service fee. Now that the payment has been processed, you will need to print your new license by selecting the Print hyperlink. This completes the seed license renewal process.